What's up, my ninjas? Today we are doing a DIY project. We are doing a RGB strip on our trunk bar here. The other ones that are available on the market, they are static red and they are not flush with the taillights. So to achieve the best looking results, I decided to get a strip and do it myself here. And the first step, make sure your RGB strip is in working order. So battery pack to make sure we have good connection. There you go. And I'm actually going to be using this battery pack to power the strip because I don't want to drain my car battery. And it's also going to be a pain to wire it to the battery or another power source. So strip is good. We are ready to get to work. Now I suggest to start on the left side because how I routed it is across and then under the trunk all the way to the left, and to store the power bank on the left side. You can do it the opposite way. That's just how I did it and how I like it. And this is 3M tape, so this is going to be the strongest adhesion you can possibly get here. And then all you want to do, line it up to this corner, make sure it is nice and flush there and centered. The cool thing about this strip is it is exactly the width of the trunk bar that sticks out. So it's an easy guideline as well as perfect fitment. The edges are the main point of contact that I'm concerned about. If you have the edges not sticking to the trunk bar, it's going to get dirt under there. It's going to mess it up. So make sure you really make sure the edges are secure, and then you can make sure the middle is nice and on. Now that we are working towards the middle with the trunk button, you might be wondering, will the trunk button still work? And yes, it will. I would say to not firmly apply the RGB strip over the trunk button itself. I would just apply pressure before the actual button, hold it, and then apply pressure after. So with the trunk being closed, you can still use the button there and you'll be just fine. So full DIY project. I forgot to mention this earlier, but if you don't want to wrap around the trunk like I'm about to do, you can actually size it up and cut the strip to have it only be the length of the trunk. So either way you do the DIY project. For me personally, I like to have it along here as well because it reflects off of the back windshield a little bit, enough to be visible by the side and from the back, but not to block any visibility from the inside. I also suggest you use some duct tape to make sure that the end is secured and watertight sealed. And my wiring with the remote is going to be tucked on the inside. I will probably tape it inside the trunk so it is out of the way more. But for the video, you guys get the idea. You guys can figure it out how you want to. And then good old battery pack. You are officially done. And look how bright this is. I prefer this so much better because it is fully customizable. And guess what? You also get this cool little remote. Now I use the app because I'm usually changing the colors from the inside, but if you want to use the remote, you can change it to all these different colors. You got pink, you got white, which I love the white. Obviously we can't do red or we can do red, we can't just do blue because blue is illegal. But if you want to match the taillights with your stock taillights, you can do red and it looks so good. And then they also have different modes on here, so you can have it be RGB, you can have Rainbow Road on the highway if you want. You guys have full access to whatever the app has to offer, and it is fully customizable. You can even do segments of the trunk bar, different colors if you want to do themed lights. So this is why I chose this instead of the trunk bars that they offer on the market. So if you guys want to pick it up, we do have it linked in the video for you guys to check out. And if you guys have questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching another video, and we will see you guys in the next one.